In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Gemini AI in Google Sheets for free. This is perfect if you want AI-powered formulas, text generation, summaries, or light automation right inside your spreadsheets without paying for an extra subscription. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Sheets in your browser and either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want to use AI features. If you're experimenting, consider working in a copy of your sheet so you can test ideas safely without changing your original data. Once your sheet is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. This is the hub where Google Sheets lets you add third-party tools, and it's exactly where AI-powered add-ons live. From the Extensions menu, hover over Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. That will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is the trusted place to find and install tools that integrate with your Google apps. In the search bar, type Gemini AI. You're looking for an add-on called AI for Sheets, Gemini. This add-on integrates Gemini AI directly into Google Sheets so you can generate and analyze content without switching tabs. Click on the add-on, then click Install. Google will show a permissions prompt so the add-on can read and write within your spreadsheet. Review the permissions, and when you're comfortable, click Allow. These permissions enable features like reading selected cells, writing results back, and opening a helpful sidebar. Once the installation is complete, go back to Extensions, find AI for Sheets, Gemini, and open it. You should now see options to access Gemini's tools, typically through a sidebar, and in some cases, custom functions you can use right in your cells. If a sidebar appears, that's where you can run prompts, summarize selected ranges, or generate drafts. From here, you can start using AI to generate content, analyze data, summarize cells, or assist with formulas, all without leaving your spreadsheet. For example, you can highlight a column of text and ask for a concise summary, request formula suggestions to clean or reformat data, or have it draft short descriptions based on values in your sheet. If the add-on offers functions, check its built-in help for exact syntax so you can write formulas that call Gemini directly. And that's it. You've successfully accessed Gemini AI in Google Sheets for free. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.